electronic surveillance or whatever kind of surveillance, kundi kukuha ka rin ng permiso sa korte. As a matter of fact, hindi lamang regional trial court sa intervention ni Minority Leader Senator Drilon, inakyat pa namin ito sa Court of Appeals, yung pagkuha ng judicial authorization to conduct surveillance. Pati yung prescription under the current law 9732, yung Human Security Act, RTC lamang ang magpo-prescribe. Pero in this measure, in this proposed measure, inelevate din yan sa Court of Appeals. The reason being, baka kasi sa dami na rin ng RTCs, and I agreed with his stating that is with Senator Drilon na baka maabuso naman yung pag-i-issue ng yung prescription, order prescription. Remember, merong feature dito na hindi lamang yung prescription per se, but nagkaroon ng preliminary order of prescription. Parang TRO ito, na within a certain period of time, pwedeng yung mga miyembro na nakalista, after due process is observed, pwede nang arestuhin at ikulong temporarily within a reglementary period of 14 days, calendar days. But nilimit din yung period na sa 20 days na kailangan either i-dismiss yung i-lift yung preliminary order of prescription or gawing permanente. Lahat ng safeguards naman nandun. Yung sa arrest naman without warrant, susundin pa rin yung panuntunan sa pag-aresto ng walang warrant, yung tinatawag na citizen's arrest, na yung kailangan yung krimen has been committed, about to be committed, or being committed, at saka may personal knowledge yung law enforcement officer na magkoconduct ng arrest. Yun lamang, hinabaan yung reglementary period. But may mga safeguards ding nakapaloob doon. Kailangan informahan kagad ng law enforcement officer na nagsagawa ng warrantless arrest yung isang judge nearest the place of arrest. Iinformahan yung Commission on Human Rights. Tapos yung visitation rights nandoon. Walang limit yung pagdalo ng abogado at babasahan din siya ng kanyang rights under the Constitution. To remain silent and so forth and so on. So, nandun lahat yung safeguards.
Thank you for watching Politico TV. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more videos.